Looking to simplify your boat's tilt and trim motor wiring without sacrificing reliability? This wiring harness converts 3-wire tilt trim motors to a streamlined 2-wire setup, making installation faster and maintenance easier. Designed with a 30A fuse and 20A, 30A relays, it ensures your system stays protected and performs smoothly under 12 volts power. I recently swapped out my old tilt trim harness with this model, and the difference was clear right away. The female bullet connector terminals on the blue and green wires fit perfectly, and the mounting bracket made installation a breeze. After 20 years of wear, replacing my harness felt like a fresh start, and the added rubber tape along the seams gave me peace of mind against corrosion. It's built to meet OEM specs, so you get quality that lasts without the OEM price tag. What really stands out is the 1-year warranty. If anything goes wrong, you're covered with a replacement anytime within that period. That kind of confidence is rare, especially for aftermarket parts. Plus, the harness replaces well-known OEM numbers like Arrowhead TRM9200 and Mercury Marine 84819514A15, so you know it's compatible with trusted brands. If you're ready to upgrade your tilt trim system with a reliable, easy-to-install wiring harness that protects your investment, this is worth a look. It's perfect for boat owners who want straightforward, quality parts that perform right out of the box. Try it when you're ready and enjoy smoother, safer operation on the water.